Welcome to our journey through the book of 3 John, a short yet profound letter nestled near the end of the New Testament. Imagine receiving a personal letter from a revered teacher, packed with practical wisdom. That's precisely what 3 John offers, tailored in love and truth. Authored by John the Apostle, this letter offers a snapshot of the early Christian community's struggles and triumphs. It all starts with John, lovingly writing to Gaius, a member of the church. John celebrates Gaius for his unwavering faith and hospitality.
In 3 John 1:2, John wishes for Gaius to enjoy good health and that all may go well with you, even as your soul is getting along well. This verse fuses physical well-being with spiritual prosperity, echoing a holistic view of human life. Next, the letter contrasts Gaius's virtues with Diotrephes, a self-seeking leader. Diotrephes refuses to welcome missionaries and even excommunicates those who do. John warns in 3 John 1:11, "Do not imitate what is evil, but what is good." It's a timeless reminder to model our lives on virtue, not vice, reinforcing that actions truly define faith. There's also Demetrius, possibly the bearer of this letter, praised for his good testimony. John aptly highlights in 3 John 1:12, Demetrius is well spoken of by everyone, and even by the truth itself. Truth here is personified, a nod to an absolute standard beyond personal opinion, underscoring the importance of integrity. At its core, 3 John emphasizes the power of hospitality, truth, and community. It's a powerful nudge to support and encourage one another in faith journeys. John's words gently resonate across centuries, affirming that Christian life is best lived in love, truth, and community. And with that, we unroll the wisdom within the brief yet impactful book of 3 John. A letter written centuries ago but still whispering truths relevant today. Keep the faith and keep the door open to truth and love. Until next time, keep exploring as our journey through the Bible continues.